baby, pana. Anywhere that you go, I can follow you to go, baby, pana. I say you like cassava, I get to be cassava.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel again. Today I have unbox video to show you guys. So I ordered some items from Samsbeauty.com, some hair and some other little goodies that I got from Samsbeauty. It came from work, so I feel like just filming this video and just let it go out. Okay, so that being said, let's go. So this is the box that came in right here. Yeah, it's a big box. So inside of this box I have this in there, and I also have this in there. Okay, so for now, let's open this box of this package. Okay, these are the items that are in this bag. Okay, so let's see. I like the way they package the items, because so that the items in there will not messed up, you know, due to shipping and everything else, you know how they do. So yeah, I like the way they did it, and all of the items that came in, nothing messed up. And well, wait a minute, well, yeah, not much, but it's okay. So, but I like the way they package the items, so it won't mess up to the point where you won't be able to use it. You know what I mean? So, while color icon eyeshadow medley right here. Okay, so down here are the colors, and these you can use for your eyebrows as well. So I'm not gonna open it, but I'm just gonna show you guys what I got. If I want to do a tutorial, I'll just use each package and do a tutorial on that one. And I also got the Beauty Treats Perfect Cover Concealer, and this is in the color 03. Okay, I know this was $1.99. Yeah, because I wanted to try a new concealer from what I'm using, and yeah, so I picked this one for $1.99, and this is in the color 03. And I also got the News Color Professional Makeup Collection by Santee. Okay, like I said, I'll put the prices up while I'm editing the video. I got that, and this has how many? 2, 4, 10 colors in here, and these were very, very cheap as well. Like I said, I will put the price on there, or prices on there. This is a NYC Individual Eyes eyeshadow. I picked this up because it's been a while since I have one of those NYC palette, because Walmart is no longer selling them. So when I saw this at Samsbeauty.com, I picked it up because it's something, their eyeshadow or their product is very, very pigmented, so I picked it up. And I also have the Profusion Pale eyeshadow for, I'm not sure the price. Yeah, this is the Profusion eyeshadow right here, and just wanted to try something, you know. And this is the Pearl eyeshadow palette. Okay, I will link everything on the screen. And I also got the Ruby Kisses 3D Face Creator, and this is in the color PDF 13. Okay, I'm probably gonna use this for my dark circles, or I'm not sure what I want to use this for yet, but I will definitely use it for my eyebrows and under my eyes. That's the reason why I purchased this one. This is another palette from NYC. Okay, right here. I will link it up again. And this is another palette from Wet n Wild. This is the eyeshadow, the Color Icon eyeshadow medley, right here. Some of these colors I don't have, and if I do have them, I wanted to try these because they were so cheap on Samsbeauty.com when I was placing my order. So, last but not least, for the makeup section is this nude color from the Santee, just like the other one that I showed you, but this color, these colors are different from this color that I had. You know what I mean? So these were very, very cheap too. But you know what? Let me just open one of these and just swatch these. Okay. Let me just do this. Wait. Let me do this yellow one. Okay. And put it right there. Okay. Did y'all see that? That's the yellow right there. So, and it smells good. Yeah, so I'm gonna, that's the swatch for that one. And next to the hair, that really, I went on Samsbeauty.com. Okay, so this is the hair that everybody has been talking about. So I wanted to try the Bobbi Boss Babe Locks. Yeah, I had locks before and it was blonde. So when I saw these and I wanted them. Okay, so I'm gonna be doing a separate video how I install it, but for right now I'm gonna be showing you basically it's 12 individual strands, as you can see in here. Okay, and this is in the 12 inches. This color is 27. Okay, and the reason why this here attracted me so much is because of this. Okay, I'm not sure what these are called, but it looks like rainbow colors and all of that. And I never had the rainbow colors already came in this strands like this, so it was kind of something that attracted me, so I said let me try it. So this was $6.99 at Samsbeauty.com. I checked my local beauty supply store, they don't have it yet, but they also have it was 12 inch and 20 inch, but it's too hot. This is the summer. I do not want anything so hot on my hair. As you can see, the wig is short, and if I was having a long wig I would have to put it like in a bun or something, but you know, I don't want anything to touch my skin when it's hot, you know. So as you can tell, it's like my face a little bit sweaty, and try to wipe some of that grease off, but you know, it is what it is. But you know, this is, like I said, it's 12 strands, and this in the color 27. I got 4 packs of these, so I have 27, the color, and I also have 30, and I also have the color 30 and the color 30 as well. So the 27 is the one I'm actually going to mix, you know, with the 27 to give me that, you know, two-tone colors that I'm looking for. And this hair, guys, is so soft. It's lightweight. You know, so this is what the 30 looks like right here. And it's beautiful. When I say it's beautiful, it's soft. It's not like the other hairs that you get from the store or other, but this is really, really soft. I don't know if you know, it's just that you guys can't feel it right now, but when you do, it's really, really soft. So I can't wait to install this. I'll be one of these so bad. And I have an outfit that actually match this symbols, basically, so that I'm gonna be wearing it. So but once the video is up with this, I will try to put a picture up basically on how my dress looks like, what kind of look alike with this symbol going on here. Okay, so yes guys, so that is all that I have for you guys. And all this stuff that I got is $40, and the reason why it's $40 because I paid $4.99 shipping. Samsbeauty.com. If you guys order from there, you guys will know, regardless of what, you still gotta pay shipping $4.99, or you gotta spend a certain amount of money and get it for free. If I'm wrong, correct me down below. Okay, so this is the Bobbi Boss Babe Locks. Yes, $6.99. So I got 4 packs, 127 and 3 number 30. So because that's what my hair is. So yes guys, that's all I have for you today. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.